Given that x equals to minus 5 and y equals to 1/4, evaluate 3y minus 2x. Okay, so we have 3y minus 2x. Okay, so let's substitute the variables with the actual values. So y is 1/4 minus 2, x is minus 5. Okay, so 3 times 1/4 will be 3/4. Alright, so fraction, when you multiply, just remember it is numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So 3 is effectively 3/1 multiplied by 1/4. So 3 times 1 is 3, 1 times 4 is 4. So that's how you get 3/4. Okay, and then over here it is minus multiplied by minus will give us plus. So 2 times 5 will be 10. Alright, so 10 plus 3/4 is basically 10 and 3/4. Okay, so that's the final answer over here.